Hi everybody, this is Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe today. I have some mystery box, two mystery boxes from the same person. I'm really excited to get them. Okay, so these mystery boxes come from an Etsy seller, and this person also has a YouTube channel. Maybe you know her. Her name's Cassie from Niche Crafts. I'll leave a link to her YouTube channel below. You guys can check it out, and if you like her content, I always encourage everybody to subscribe and to support other YouTubers. Now, I have purchased mystery boxes in the past from people on Etsy that have YouTube channels, and I have noticed that they might have given me better yarn than what they gave other people, which I particularly am not a big fan of, because I don't like to be treated any differently than anyone else. So when I buy a mystery box off somebody that knows me, I would expect to receive the same thing that everybody else receives. That way you know what you're going to receive. Well, Cassie did send me an email, and she assured me that she gave me nothing different than what she would give somebody else. Now, I looked at her reviews, and people have left pictures of what she had sent them. So I do believe her when she said that, but also there's pictures, so you know, you can look at those pictures and compare them with what I got. But I do believe that she sent me the same thing, and I commented back and I told her that I really appreciate that, because I hate opening a mystery box and then from somebody that knew me, and not just Etsy sellers, even yarn companies, and they give me something better than what they would give somebody else, because I deserve no special treatment. Like I said, I want to be treated equally. So, and I think that Cassie did that. So let's check it out. And as of today is 1/10/2023. Her mystery boxes are on sale. They're 12% off. So I don't know how long that's going to be going on for. So she has two different mystery boxes. She has a she has a stitch marker mystery box. I didn't see that last time. Well, we'll see here. She did have two different mystery boxes when I bought them, and she still does. Okay, so she has a small mystery box and a large mystery box. I bought one of each. And now she has a stitch marker mystery bag. I didn't get that one. She didn't have it at the time, or if she did, I didn't see it. But anyway, so I got her two yarn mystery boxes, and they came. This was, this is the small, right here. It shipped priority mail. She shipped it the very next day, and it came very fast. So, I'm excited. You guys ready? So normally I paid $40 for this, but it is on sale right now for $35.20. And this is her small one. I get so excited. You know, when I looked at the reviews and the pictures, people leave pictures sometimes in reviews, it looked like she sent some pretty nice yarn. So, you know, branded yarn and whatnot. So, pretty excited. Oh, mystery boxes are so much fun. I get so excited. Hey, I do have a tutorial for this hat. I'll put a link for it in the description box. I don't have a tutorial for that blanket. It's knitted. It's old. I got it at a retail shop for $2. All right, here we go. Okay, so packaging. Thank you card. So this is her small. Let's see what we got here. So I got some Nora. And this was $40, but it is on sale right now. This is the, I always butcher the Nora names. Curia. It's 51 wool, 29 cotton, 10 silk, and 10 Angora. I do have this at my house, actually. Not this, no, I got this color, I think. I'll just add it to it. Nora is made in Japan. It's a it's a nice yarn. I like it. It's roving style. Very, very pretty. She already done this thing. Come on, show me the yardage. I can't find it. Oh, 150 meters, so about 165 yards there. So that is pretty. I'll add that to the one that I already have. And then we got some Lamia Merino. I have had this before. Usually I get this from Hobium. I got 3 different colorways there. Pink, blue, and yellow. Oh, periwinkle blue. Very pretty. So the Lamia Merino is 100% wool. And it's classified as a 2-weight, but yeah, it's a thicker too. It's hand wash, lay flat. 191 yards per ball. So I got 3 of those. Nice. DK Barico, a DK Comfort. It's a DK Sport Weight number 2. It's 50% super fine nylon, 50% super fine acrylic. Sheen wash, tumble dry, 50 grams, 178 yards per ball. So I got 2 of those. It's soft. And I got one more here. This is Cascades Cherub Aaron Prince. That's pretty. Very, very pastel. So this is what the cherub, it's a stealth striping yarn. So it's a 4-weight yarn, 55 nylon, 45 acrylic. It's a soft yarn. I've had it before. 240 yards per ball. So that was what was in. I paid $40 for. Now I can definitely tell you that she did not make it just because it was me. She did not make it, you know, she did it like she would do for anybody else. I can tell you that because I can tell by looking, because I don't use 2-weight yarns. And surely if she watches my channel, she probably knows that. So I did get 5 balls of 2-weight. I do like the Noro, but I do see she puts that in a lot of her mystery boxes from the pictures. And this one I have had before as well, which I like that too. So that was in the first mystery box. And as you can see, it was not tailored to me. None of the collars are like collars that I would ever be like, I like it, but it's not colors that I would generally gravitate towards. None of them are. I would usually use, you know, like browns and coppers and reds and pumpkin oranges and mustard yellows. But as you can see, a lot of these are pastels. But I do like them, and I think they're very pretty. But like I said, I don't use those 2-weight yarns, so those will go in giveaways. This I'll probably add to the one I already have. And this one, as pretty as it is, will probably go in a giveaway too. All right, nice. I think that, you know, 40 bucks. 7 balls. I did pay shipping on both boxes was $16 total. Okay, so that was the first box. Okay, next box. This is the big box. This was $70. And we'll go ahead and open that up. I'm glad that she didn't tailor it towards me. You know, I'm happy about that. So I like to, you know, my YouTube friends here to be able to see what they can expect. And like I said, you can also go and look at her reviews and see pictures of what other people have gotten. Tissue paper again. Okay. Again, thank you for supporting my small business. Okay. All right. All right, so this one does have obviously colors that you knew that I liked in that one. So that one was a bit tailored towards me. So we'll see. We got some more of the same Minoro. I have this color as well. It's the Kiara. It's the same as this one. It's the green. Okay. And then I got some more of this Cascade Cherub DK. It is a no, this is, I didn't get that. I got Comfort in the last one. This is Cascade Cherub DK. It is a little thin for a DK. So I won't be able to use this because I have had it before, but it is very pretty. I got 3 balls of that. So I got the green, 3 balls of this, which I won't be able to use that one. I will keep that Noro because I have that green one as well. This is a whirligig from Cascade. I have this as well. The whirligig is 60% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 20% acrylic, 546 yards. I think the whirligigs, what are they? I don't know. Are they DKs? I don't know. Come on, whirligig, show me your yarn. Show me a strand. Yeah, it's a thin DK. All right, like I said, I do have these here already, so this is something that I probably won't. I buy boxes, just mystery boxes, because it's so much fun opening them. But then I usually end up giving most of them away. I do have the whirligigs in this color particular already, and I can add this to them for a bigger giveaway because it is a bit too thin for me to use. That's pretty. That's the green. This is Queenland's Collection Brisbane, pure Australian superwash wool. It is 3.52 ounces, 144 yards. Now this is classified as a bulky 5. I actually do have this exact color. I will keep this and add it to the ones that I have. And then I got some Plymouth. These are all the same. Plymouth Encore DK. I've had this before. It's very pretty. As far as the colors she sent are very pretty. It's 75 acrylic, 25 wool, 50 grams, 150 yards. The Plymouth Encore DK, as far as the way it feels to me, is okay for an acrylic wool blend. But she did send 5, all in my favorite colors. Unfortunately, it is a bit too thin for me to be able to use as well. But that is okay. So for the $70 box, I got 5 of the Encore DKs. Those are all my colors. You can, you know that if you watch my channel. Which are all very beautiful. Just too thin for me, unfortunately. I got the whirligig, again, which is too thin for me to use. Very pretty. Cascade Cherub DK. I got 3 of those. Unfortunately, it's too thin for me to use. I did get 2 of the Queenland's Collection Brisbane. I do like this yarn. I have this exact color, so I will add this to the ones that I have. So I will be keeping these. And then I got 1 Noro, which I have this color as well. So I will keep this and add that. And that was the $70 box. Remember, I did pay 16 something shipping, and that was for both boxes. And then that is what was in the box. So it was good. I mean, it was good. Unfortunately, like I said, a lot of these I won't be able to use. As for the $40 box, I can't use the Comfort DK. I can't use, that was a $40. These 2. I can't use any of these Lamia Merinos. I can use the Cherub and Prince, but I won't put that in a box. And I will keep this Noro. So this is what I'm going to keep out of my 2 boxes. 2 Noros and 2 Queenslands. And the rest is either too thin, and well, all of it that's in this box is too thin, and this one I just probably will not use. So that is what was in my mystery boxes. So thank you very much, Cassie. And remember, there is a link below to her YouTube channel. Check out her videos, and if you like them, you can always subscribe, show her some support. And I'll put a link to her Etsy shop, or if you're interested, as you can see what I got, you can check out her Etsy shop for the mystery boxes as well. So thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.